Let's all do our part to beat COVID. Here are a few tips to keep yourself and your passengers safe and healthy on the open road. Clean your hands with disinfecting sanitizer. Sanitize high-touch areas like your steering wheel and center console, door handle, dashboard, your seatbelt, and the key fob. Health officials recommend driving only with people in your household or bubble. But if you need to get a ride or drive others, then everyone needs to mask up and distance themselves. Keep the airflow fresh. This is especially important when traveling with people outside your bubble. The best way to stay safe is to stay home, so avoid all non-essential travel. Make sure to keep hand sanitizer and disinfecting wipes inside your vehicle at all times to sanitize after each and every trip. As we say in our OpenRoad COVID plan, I protect you, you protect me. Together, we'll drive through this. OpenRoad. Unlimited possibilities ahead.